Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. First of all, you need to open Moto app. Then select those three lines at the top left corner of it and click on Personalize. Now tap on Theme section and select one of the available ones by tapping on the best one for you, like honey. So now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to, you can always go back to the same settings and create your own theme by tapping on this plus icon at the top right corner. Now select wallpaper, you can change it later on. Click on font, tap on the best font style, color of icons, and icon shape. When you finished, name your theme at the top and choose Save. Now just click on it. As you can see, after that, theme of my device was changed again. If you wish to go back to your default theme, you need to access the same settings one more time and choose Default at the top. To delete one of your custom ones, just tap on this pin at the top right corner of it. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!